Good morning, students. How are you all? We have completed all four operations of chapter number 2 separately. Today we are going to learn something new, and I am sure you will enjoy this exercise. Bodmer's rule, order of operations. The four basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The order of this operation is given by a rule called Bodmer's. According to the rule, we solve a problem in the given order. Right? Here is the order. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. We have to follow this operation to solve the sum. Let's see examples to understand how to follow this order and solve the sum. Simplify 12 divided by 2 plus in bracket 15 minus 4. So we can see 1, 2 and 3. Three different operations are given. Now how to solve this sum? Let's see. So leave one line, write answer solution, and we have to write this Bodmer's to follow the sequence. After that, we have to copy the question again. Like this, we will copy the questions, and you have to make one column here because we will solve the operation here. Now look at here, bracket is given, so we have to solve bracket operation first, right? So that operations I have to copy here, 15 minus 4, and you all know very well, 15 minus 4, 11. Now that 11 is a difference that we have to write here. Now before these operations, we have to copy this down. 12 divided by 2 plus. Now there is only one operation and we have solved. So we will not keep this answer in bracket, but we will write directly. So we have solved these operations, so I will cut bracket off, right? Because we have solved. Now next operation is division. Yes, we have a division. So here we have to see. Yes, there is a division, so I will underline. And this operation I have to copy here. 12 divided by 2. In 2's table we have to get 12. So you know that 6 is a 12. 6 2's a 12. So now operation is here. So we have to write that answer there only. Plus 11. Now cut because we have solved division. Now next operation is multiplications. But we do not have multiplications, so I will cut multiplications. Additions. So yes, we have additions. So copy the sum here. 6 plus 11. 17. So this is your final answer and keep it in the bracket, right? Let's see the next example. 11 multiplied by 3 minus 19. So 1, 2 and 3 different operations are given. So leave one line, write answer solutions and also write Bodmer's so that we do not forget the order. Then again leave one line and copy the question. So like this we have to copy the questions. Now bracket, but we do not, there is no bracket, right? Bracket operation is not given, so I will cut BO. Now next is a division, addition, multiplication and subtractions. So division is also not given. Multiplication, yes, that is given. Multiplication between 11 multiplied by 3. Let's copy here. 11 3's are 33. We have to keep answer, right? But before operations it is given, so I have to copy this 26 plus. Now I can write the product 33 and remaining things I have to copy. So we have solved one operation, cut it. Now next order is addition. Yes, it is given between 26 plus 33. So write here 26 plus 33. So you know very well 59, right? So let's write first operation. So please write the answer below and copy minus 19 and cut addition. And the last operation is given here, subtraction. Right, 59 minus 19, so 40. So 40 is your answer. So this is the way we can solve all operations together one by one. But please remember, we have to follow the sequence. So watch this video again, create your own sum, solve them, practice them. I will also share pics of exercise. You have to complete in your math notebook carefully.